Theory, week 4. Here we go, the final topics that we are covering for this trimester. First, we're going to talk rhythm tree. So remember, the rhythm tree is just a visual example of note relationships and also rest relationships. So we start at the very top of our tree with the largest value both as a note and a rest, which is the whole note and the whole rest. There's our whole note. Remember, our whole rest hangs down from the 4th line. So we talk about this looks like a bowl, rhymes with whole. So whole rest, whole note. The next time value down from that, if we cut the value in half, we have 2 half notes, and we also have 2 half rests. Half rests hang up or point up from the 3rd line. So they look like hats. So we say half hat is a way to remember that the half rest looks like a hat, points up from the 3rd line. Okay, next time value that we have, if we cut the value of next of those half notes and half rests in half, is we have our quarter notes. So here they are, quarter notes, quarter rests, and finally we have our 8th notes and our 8th rests. So this is a really good way to just kind of visually see how notes relate to one another. For instance, 2 half notes equal 1 whole note. Or we could skip down and we could say 4 quarter notes equal 1 whole note. Or we could say 8 eighth notes equal 2 half notes. Or we could cut all of that in half and say 4 eighth notes equal the time value of 2 quarter notes. Or 4 eighth notes equal 1 half note. Similar to our rest. Remember, note values and rest values are the same. So a quarter note is the same time value as a quarter rest. So that's our rhythm tree, and I'll be right back to talk about our half steps, what we call the 2 peaks in a valley, 3 peaks in a valley.